Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you a walk around of my brand new 1967 Mustang Coupe. I'm also going to be giving you an update on the Fastback project. I know you guys have been waiting for a long time. Plus, I've got an update on Classic Nation headquarters, so stay tuned. So here it is, guys, my brand new 67 Mustang, brand new to me, that is. You can see it's all flat black. This thing is sweet. So first things first, I picked this thing up, not to keep for a very long time, but because the price was right, and I thought I'd send it to a good home after I did a couple of upgrades and tweaks to it. But let's take a look at it. Let's get close. This thing has a 351 Windsor in it that runs super strong. As you can see, whoever had this last, blacked out all of the chrome trim. Bumpers are black, windshield trim is black, all of the accents that would normally be either stainless or chrome is all black, and it looks pretty good. It's got new wheels. The lights are LEDs front and rear. This thing runs super sweet. I'll point you in here to the engine. Pretty clean engine bay. One thing you'll notice here, check this out. Shelby style fiberglass hood. That's a cool touch, makes it look real mean from the front. You can see all of this trim up here that normally is chrome or brushed is all black. Pretty nice little touch. Here's the engine. 351, got nice Edelbrock valve covers, Edelbrock carburetor. This thing is notably peppier than my 289. I got on the freeway and romped on it a little bit, and man, this thing's got some pickup. Modern MSD ignition upgraded. You can see that there. There's the aluminum radiator, chrome valve cover. Let's pop in the inside here. Black on black, inside's perfect. It's got the standard interior for 67. It does have a pretty cool B&M shifter, camera case, dash trim. Everything's in pretty good shape. Nice headliner, rear seats and stuff. Those are all pretty nice. You can see the handle fell off. That doesn't stay on very good. But yeah, this thing runs super nice. Couple things that I don't like about it. The radiator is wired to kick on as soon as the car goes on rather than as soon as it hits a certain temperature. So that's something that I would fix. Also, it doesn't have power steering. You can see down in here, manual. And this thing, it's kind of hard to turn, especially when you're going at real low speeds. Somebody put on this kind of stupid little steering wheel, which I don't like, probably a little Grant wheel. That's like a 13-inch diameter wheel. It's just not the right wheel for this car. But other than that, this thing is pretty sweet. I really like the wheels. They're Legend series. I think they're Scott Drake wheels. I'm not exactly sure if that's who makes these ones or not, but they're pretty sweet. Everything else about the car, it just runs perfect. And it starts up first time. Let's give it a little go. Check this out. Sounds awesome. There you have it. This thing runs great. It's a shame I don't have the time or space to keep it because it's a real good runner. But I hope it goes to a good home and it's going to be a great car for somebody. So now check this out. The Mustang Fastback project. The guys over there at the Thunderdome have been super busy doing metal fab on it. Here's a couple of time-lapse videos of them adding in the full floor, putting on some of the body panels, and here's some still shots of what that looks like now with the new deck, the new fender, new hood. A lot of replacement metal had to go on because we found a lot of rust and just metal that needed to be replaced. So that's what's going on with the Fastback. So stay tuned. An update on that Fastback is coming up pretty soon. Hopefully we're going to be over there shooting it up close and personal, especially the engine build. The 427 stroker is coming along nicely. We'll have updates for you on that pretty soon here. And last thing, check this out. Classic Nation headquarters coming along. I'll show you a quick little shop tour. Come on in. This is the new shop. We've been busy with a complete remodel of this thing. Everything got insulated. We've got new wall coverings, sheetrock and OSB. Over here is where the metal is gonna go. We've got the workspace area over here on this side. Gonna be some nice tool benches and a work table over there. Bathroom's gonna be in there. Right over here is where the lift is gonna go. That's right, we've got a Mohawk automotive 2-post lift. Gonna go right in here. It's where the magic's gonna happen. But yeah, this is just a quick little snapshot of the work in progress. Stay tuned for when this thing is all done. Coming along. Thanks for checking in, guys. We'll see you next time on the next Classic Nation video. See ya.